Hello there, and welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're embarking on a delightful journey to create a classic vanilla sponge cake, a recipe that's as comforting as it is delicious. This cake is perfect for any occasion, from a simple afternoon treat to a special celebration. Let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup 120 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 cup to 100 grams of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup 115 grams of unsalted butter, softened to room temperature. We'll also use 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup 120 milliliters of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and just a pinch of 1/4 teaspoon salt. These simple components come together to create something truly wonderful. Now, let's get started with the magic. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. While the oven warms up, prepare an 8-inch round cake pan by greasing and flouring it. This ensures our beautiful cake will release effortlessly. In a separate bowl, let's combine our dry ingredients. Sift together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Sifting helps to aerate the flour, leading to a lighter, fluffier cake. Once combined, set this bowl aside for a moment. Next, in a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened unsalted butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is key to achieving that tender crumb we all love. Then, beat in the large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, stir in the pure vanilla extract. Now, we'll alternate adding our dry ingredients and the milk to the butter mixture. Begin by adding about 1/3 of the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Then, add half of the milk and mix again. Continue this process, adding another 1/3 of the dry ingredients, the remaining milk, and finishing with the last of the dry ingredients. Be careful not to overmix. We want to keep that batter light and airy. Pour the batter evenly into your prepared cake pan and smooth the top. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before inverting it onto a wire rack to cool completely. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you enjoy baking and savoring this delightful vanilla sponge cake. If you found this recipe helpful, please consider following along for more delicious creations. Happy baking!